Hi, here is another project I worked on. I'm a software developer with about 15 years experience, 10 years experience as a developer and about 5 years as a team manager. I have mainly experience in the .NET technology, but I also have experience in Java, PHP, Angular, Python and more. But my speciality is to produce stable products with the best practices of the industry. Thank you for your interest in my portfolio.
Take Quiet is a software engineering project, an IoT project, that has been mandated by an external client at École Technique Supérieure as a course of software engineering graduation project. Self-understand, I get the permission to show you this video and to show you what I've done. The idea is that horses wear earplugs every day in order to calm them down during a competition or when they travel from place to place. So why not use this idea in order to make smart earplugs? This is what this project is all about. An IoT device that will give you the vitals of the horse, the GPS. This project has been divided into 3 different subsystems. One of them was the device itself that would send data to the server. The other one was the phone application that will present data to the user. And there was the RESTfull API, which was the brain of the application, so to speak. My task was to build the RESTfull API. Since everyone else has to communicate with a live server, I bought a cloud server and I installed whatever feature was available on that server, and I gave the IP address to my teammates to be able to do their work and to integrate often. I also made sure that Swagger works in order for my teammates to be able to see what feature is available and when it is available and how to use it. The RESTfull API was deployed in 2 different servers. One for the database, one for the RESTfull API. Anything goes wrong, I would just ask to erase the server and respin a new one and fix it very fastly. Now that we have seen how the project was divided, let's talk about what type of RESTfull API was available. So there was 3 types of RESTfull API. One of them was the phone application in order to get the data from the server and present it to the user. The other ones for the device in order to send data to the server. And the third one was in order to manage the profile of the user and the devices. Now that we have seen all the theory behind the project, let's look a bit at a live demo on how the project works. So in this screen, I register to the system. I put the username, password, phone number, email. As you see in the screen, the user gets an SMS with a special code. He has to take that code, and there's another RESTfull method for him to provide that code and legitimate his phone number. That method gives you another bearer token because the user has confirmed his phone number. Now the user has access to other methods he did not have before with this bearer token. Now let's look at the login and how you register a new Be Quiet device. Since the user is authenticated with the bearer token, he only has to provide the serial number of the device itself. With the serial number, the system already associates the user with the new device. Once the user has been authenticated and he provided his bearer token, he could see the data of his horses and all the information. As you can see, there's other methods in order to manage the Be Quiet. Now let's see how the Be Quiet communicates with the RESTfull API. First, it has to authenticate itself, and then he's able to send data to the server. Now that the device has sent the GPS location, the GPS statue, and the vitals of the horse, let's log in as a phone application in order to see if the data has been updated properly in the database. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video.
Check out my work, portfolio.software770.com.